How to tell what year a Husqvarna is. Husqvarana is a leading manufacturer of outdoor landscaping tools including lawn tractors, mowers, leaf blowers, trimmers and chainsaws. All of these tools come with both a model number and a serial number. Use these numbers to help track down the year of the Husqvarna, which will be needed to order replacement parts for repairs. On some Husqvarna chainsaws, the year of the saw is the first 2 digits of the serial number. However, this is not true of all Husqvarna products. In some cases, you may have to contact the company in order to obtain the correct year. Things you'll need: rag, pencil, paper. Locate the small, black, metal plate that contains the model and serial numbers on your Husqvarna. On chainsaws, blowers and trimmers, the plate is typically found on or near the plastic casing in a corner near the recoil starter. On mowers and tractors, it is located near the engine block or mower deck. Copy down the 2 sets of numbers on a piece of paper. The top set of numbers is the product or model number. The bottom set of numbers is the serial number. Call Husqvarna customer service at 800-487-5951 and relay the model and serial numbers to the representative. He should be able to help you pinpoint the year of your Husqvarna product.